Alright, so you're thinking about traveling to Lebanon. Let me tell you, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. Lebanon is one of those rare places where ancient history, stunning landscapes and buzzing city life all come together. So, let's jump into your ultimate Lebanon travel guide. What to see, what to do, and a few tips to make your trip smoother. First, let's talk about Beirut, because you can't come to Lebanon and skip the capital. Beirut is alive, vibrant, and full of surprises. Start your journey down the famous Corniche, a seaside promenade perfect for a morning walk or just people watching. Don't miss the Pigeon Rocks at sunset. Trust me, it's an Instagram moment you don't want to skip. For history buffs, check out the National Museum of Beirut. It's packed with treasures from Lebanon's rich past, and you'll leave with a whole new appreciation for the country's story. Hungry? Good. Lebanese food is a reason to visit all on its own. I recommend grabbing some fresh manakish for breakfast. Think Lebanese pizza. And don't leave without trying medzi and shawarma from a local spot. The locals are proud of their food, and honestly, you'll taste why. Next up, let's get out of the city. Head to Byblos, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Wander through ancient ruins, chill in a cozy cafe by the old port, and check out the Crusader Castle. The vibe here is super relaxed, and the history is everywhere you look. If you love mountains, you're in luck. Lebanon's got the stunning Qadisha Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, perfect for hiking and exploring. The views are insane, especially in spring when everything's green and alive. You can even visit Bichari, the hometown of poet Khalil Gibran, and pop into the Gibran Museum for a little culture fix. Now, if you want something truly unique, explore the Jada Grotto. It's this incredible underground cave system, massive otherworldly stalactites and stalagmites, and you can take a boat ride inside. It's like stepping into another world. For wine lovers, Lebanon's wineries are a hidden gem. Head over to the Bekaa Valley, tour a few vineyards, and sip on some Lebanese reds and whites. They've been making wine here for thousands of years. Seriously, before you leave, make sure to spend a day in the mountains. Places like Faraya or Eden are perfect if you want to ski in winter or just chill out and soak up the views in summer. So, pack light, bring your appetite, and get ready to meet some of the friendliest people around. Lebanon isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Safe travels, and I hope your adventure in Lebanon is everything you dream it will be.